Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So today in this video we have got a question and that is something like this, and we need to prove that this whole expression is basically equal to sine A plus cos A. Now, as I have mentioned in my earlier questions also, you know, in most of the times in trigonometry, we use actually less of trigonometry and more of the simplification. We use orders of the functions a lot and simplify the expressions and get the answers which we have to look for, right? So in this question also, you'll realize that we have almost like for more than 90% of the time actually goes into the simplification of the expressions which are given to us. So we will focus upon simplification. And the next important thing is that whenever we have things like whenever we have any of these ratios like tan, cot, sec, or cosec, we always first convert them into sine and cos so that it becomes an easy thing for us as we are more comfortable with sine and cos, because 99% of the times we end up solving questions which are having sine and cos. So to make our task easier, we will quickly convert this into the sine and cos. So which is like 1 minus sine A over cos A plus, then we have sine A divided by 1 minus cos A over sine A. Correct? Now, what we will do is we will focus on this particular fraction here, this one, and we will, simplify it. And when we simplify, we take cos A as the common denominator. And what we get here is cos A minus sine A, correct? And this whole thing divides cos A, correct? And I will put this equal sign little up so that it makes sense to us, right? Then we have plus, and then obviously we have sine A, and then we have, here also we can take common denominator as sine A, and what we get is sine A minus cos A, correct? So this is what we get. Now what we will do is we will, if we simplify it further, then what happens is this cos A goes on top and gets multiplied with this cos A. Similarly, this sine A will also go on top and will get multiplied with this sine A, right? This is how it will happen. So let's start with the further steps, and I will write, I'll get like cos squared A, and at the bottom we have cos A minus, sorry, this is, yes, minus sine A, correct? Now in the between we have plus, so I'll put this as is. Then I have sine squared A, because this sign will, like this sign will go on top and will get multiplied with this sine A, and finally we'll have sine squared A. Now here we have sine A minus cos A. Now the next step is that we got to make the denominator same for these two fractions also. And when we have to do, then what we'll do is we will simply take minus common from this particular expression, right? And when we do that, this middle plus will become negative, right? So some of the students might find problematic this particular step. So in case that is the case, you can always put your comments into the comments box and I can help you out with that, right? So it is cos squared cos A minus sine A, and we take minus common from here, so it is like minus, and we get sine squared A, and this becomes cos A minus sine A. It gets reversed, right? Now, we have got the common denominators, right? So we can always write it like cos A minus sine A and on top we have cos squared A minus sin squared A. Now the denominator here, this particular expression, this thing cos squared A minus sin squared A is in the standard form of A square minus B squared is equal to A plus B and A minus B. So we can factorize this further, simple, and we can, when we factorize it, it will be something like this: cos A minus sin A cos A plus sin A, and the whole thing is getting divided by cos A minus sin A, right? Now here this simply gets cancelled, and what we are left with is this, and which is basically sin A plus cos A. Now this is nothing but the right hand side, the RHS of the expression. This is nothing but the right hand side of my expression, right? Which I had to prove that this is equal to this. So I hope you could understand this, and it was easy enough, which you could understand. Thanks so much. Keep watching these videos. In case you have any questions or something, please feel free to be in touch with me or post in your comments, feedbacks, and I shall get back to you. Right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye.